Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss a common issue that many drivers face, the airbag warning light. If you've ever noticed this light illuminated on your dashboard, you may be wondering what could be causing it. In this video, we will explore the reasons why your airbag warning light is on and what you can do about it. So, let's dive in. Explanation of the airbag system. Before we get into the reasons why the airbag warning light is on, let's first understand how the airbag system works. The airbag system in your vehicle is designed to protect you in the event of a collision by deploying airbags to cushion the impact. The system includes sensors, a control module, and airbags that work together to ensure your safety. Common reasons for the airbag warning light. Now, let's discuss some common reasons why the airbag warning light may be illuminated on your dashboard. Faulty sensors. One of the most common reasons for the airbag warning light to come on is due to faulty sensors. These sensors may be damaged or malfunctioning, causing the system to detect an issue and trigger the warning light. Loose connections. Another common cause of the airbag warning light is loose connections within the airbag system. If there is a poor connection between the sensors, control module, or airbags, the system may not function properly, leading to the warning light turning on. Faulty control module. The control module is the brain of the airbag system, and if it is faulty or damaged, it may not be able to properly communicate with the sensors and airbags, resulting in the warning light being activated. Previous collision. If your vehicle has been in a previous collision and the airbags were deployed, it is possible that the warning light was not reset properly after repairs were made, causing it to remain on. What to do when the airbag warning light is on? If you notice that the airbag warning light is on in your vehicle, it is important to take action promptly. Here are some steps you can take. Check the connections. Inspect the connections within the airbag system to ensure they are secure and free of any damage. Reset the system. Some vehicles allow you to reset the airbag system by following specific procedures outlined in the owner's manual. Visit a mechanic. If you are unable to determine the cause of the warning light or if you suspect a more serious issue, it is best to visit a qualified mechanic who can diagnose and repair the problem. In conclusion, if you see the airbag warning light illuminated on your dashboard, it is essential to address the issue promptly to ensure your safety on the road. By understanding the common reasons for the warning light and taking appropriate action, you can help maintain the functionality of your vehicle's airbag system. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was informative. Stay safe and drive responsibly.